Here in Maker Hacks, we get test printers, and today we have a Gearbest Ender3 Pro. Let's check it out. Don't forget to hit subscribe and leave any comments below. If you have one of these printers and you like it, let us know what you think about it.
So this is the Ender3 Pro. I guess that's a Z stepper motor there. We've got power supply, some tools, some filament, so that's lead screw. Yeah. So, some extrusion, I guess that's 2020, right? And then some 2040 for the spool holder. So that's the extruder. The control. So this is my first printer with a magnetic bed. The Bowden hot end. And all of this unit is pre-assembled, so that's pretty nice. So bracket,
More layers.
correct power cable, and then the instructions that we'll just ignore. Yeah, that's right. I've got the thing on the left. Set limit switch. Then
So, what do we have for takeaways on this? First of all, no 3mm bolts and a nightmare build. It was mostly built. It's just a few bolts to put together. Wire management we had to kind of figure out on our own, but for the most part, this was a really smooth build. Chris and I put it together in 2 hours, I'm thinking. So like I said, cable management is a bit of an issue. I think that was more just Chris and I trying to figure things out once we have that sorted. Everything worked really well. We powered it up, we hit 0, it did exactly what it was told to do. One feature we noticed is that we powered it down in the middle of a print. When we turned it back on, it asked if it wanted to resume the print. Now there's not many printers that have that, but that is a feature that I really like. If there's a power outage or something like that, there is a chance of recovering the model. The big wheels for leveling the bed, mwah! Oh, thank you. That is so good to have. It makes it simple and easy, and you're not messing around with these little tiny bolts trying to figure out how to get it leveled and hurting your fingers on the knurls. Big wheels for leveling a bed are genius. Thank you. So you can see from the first print, it looks pretty good. We're going to give her a couple more trials and see how things go. But in the meantime, I think this printer, and my first impression is, damn, it's pretty good. Got any questions? Ask them below. We'll do our best to answer them and help you along if there's any problems, and give us your opinions of this printer. Also, do not forget to hit subscribe and check out some of our other videos on our YouTube channel.